What is going on, YouTube family? It has been inconsistent on this channel. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been all over the place thinking about the content that I want to produce. A lot of you like this stuff, while I like this stuff, but I like it all. You know, I'm just all over the place. I cannot choose what I want to make videos about. However, recently that changed. I had some great conversations with people.
For the future. You're supposed to have 1 million subscribers by now. I'm supposed to be your secretary.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to quit my job.
Yeah, you hear that?
Go on a roll with you. That's what's supposed to happen right now. But it's not happening. You know, you're inconsistent.
I had some soul searching. That's why the content has been kind of being trickled out really slowly. However, I figured it out and I'm gonna tell you about it. Just not today. Today, I wanna show you how I did this. With me starting to take YouTube a little more seriously, I thought that I wanted to change from just jumping around the house to random areas to creating something that's a little more pleasing to your eye. So today, let me show you what I did to create this studio and the future plans I have for it. But this video is gonna be the start of one of the ideas that I have for some of the content that I want to live on this channel. One of the things that I've had this idea for is to chronicle, like have a series where I show myself building my YouTube channel from scratch, like from the very beginning to where I get to, which is multi-millions of subscribers. Well, right now I'm under 2,000 subscribers. So I think it's safe to say that I am not on one yet. Like I'm not where I want to be, obviously, nor am I super famous or popular. This is my early stage. However, I truly believe that we are going somewhere with this channel. I have some great ideas, which I'm going to share with you. However, for today, this is the first episode of, I'm gonna call it Chasing the Algorithm. I'm still thinking through that. I don't know if that's the best name, but I think this series is going to be called Chasing the Algorithm. That's not the word. A series that follows Judah Lee as he takes his channel from 0, aka 2,000 subscribers at the filming of this video, to, I don't know. I want to be bigger than Mr. Beast. You know, I wanna put PewDiePie in the dust, and I know they got like over 100. Well, I know PewDiePie. I think he has like over 100 million subs. I guess it's only safe to say that this series is from 0 to 200 million subs. So today, you read the title. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna do that. See you soon. As you can see, the room is pretty bare. It's, you know, there's just no flavor. There's no flavor in here. It's kind of dull and disgusting. It's, you know, this little carpet that I got out the garage. It's dirty, needs vacuum, has dog hair all over it. I got this table, which is just beat the freak up. And the rest of the room is just, you know, really the only thing in here is my bed. All right, so over the last couple of days, I received these packages. Let's just open them up and do things.
Me up, right up to the top, yeah. See me now, dripping out, looking like the boss, yeah. Catch me in the city, always rolling with the.
So first things first, premium chalkboard paper. Yeah, so this is gonna be the new bedroom. See how that's work.
Now they see me, do this for my love and for my game, that's for real. Now they tryna slide up in my lane. New life, yeah, that's that new life, yeah. Yeah, this cash all in my pocket, give me new life, yeah. That's that new high. Say me cause
Okay, so obviously, it's not the straightest of things, but when you're looking through here, you can't tell. You just can't tell. So what I'm actually gonna end up doing, hey, you saute. What's up, babies? I love y'all, but y'all can't come in here. I love you though. Surprisingly, whatever this stuff is, I wouldn't use it. Nope, don't recommend it. It's definitely toxic, but it cleaned it pretty well. Like some of this stuff is just, I mean, some of these imperfections, they're just not gonna go away. But as far as the gook and nasty stuff, the greasy, gooey, got it. It's gone. Table in that. I don't know, better online, but I think it'll be fine.
Lord, please forgive me for that new life. Yeah, that's that new life. Yeah.
Okay, that took like an hour. That was extremely hard, but that I'm happy and literally had enough. I didn't waste a single drop of this paper here. Everything is used on this large table, but like that looks good. Definitely gonna leave a link to this one in the description because this is definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend. I got these smart lights. If I get a little lamp, I don't know. Ooh, that could be cool if I could get like one of those, I don't even know if they make these by what they do, like a sticky lamp that has like an arm that I could, like a Toy Story lamp. Boom, this tall, and then boom, put a little blue light or something there. Oh, boy, yeah. So after all of that, I still have a very small amount of this chalkboard paper left over. Really not enough to do anything useful with yet. And I bought these like smart lights that change different colors. It's gonna be really sweet. I think it's gonna be really sweet. I was actually okay with how it looked, and I don't have a lamp yet, but it'd be cool if I could get one of those like sockets and just kind of lay it here on the table at like a really low dim and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, what I wanna say is this. What I've learned from all of this is, in my opinion, this looks really freaking good. You know, the table looks great, the background can change and evolve and become whatever I want it to be. I can put stickers, I can put different drawings, I can do whatever I want with the background. Between this table and this wall, I spent $40 on Amazon. That's boom, that should just blow your mind because it just doesn't take that much work to have a decent looking studio, in my opinion. I found all these little knickknacks and things on the table from around the house. I found this table in the garage. It was disgusting, it was dirty. Just thought outside the box and wrapped it up in something that looks pretty good. Background, $20. Just a $20 little couple stickers of chalkboard paper, and that's it. And now you have a studio. The only thing that you might not have is a light like this. However, you don't need a light like this. Your natural lighting, I'm in the front of the window. I could open the window, let that light come in. It'll be fine. This is my new studio setup. It might change over time, but as of right now, this is what it looks like. Let me grab the camera. Give me a second. Go on the handheld mode here. Let me zoom all the way out. Okay, boom. So like over here, as you can tell, I have to zoom in for it to be framed right. So like way out here, no way is that happening. But if I come in about right there, you can't even tell that the background's way too small. So I'm not like pressed to get that part complete yet. Other than that, there's the light, there's where I'm sitting at, there's my bed, and the room is, like I said, it's bare. But that's a sacrifice that I'm willing to make because I want this to be a space where I can create. I opened up this space over here by moving the bed so that in the future, I could get a computer desk and sit there and edit on and just kind of just be in this room in my mind doing things creative. But yeah, like I said, look at this, man. Got my business cards, came in like this. I just literally just threw random crap on the table just to add a little bit of interest to the shot, and that's it, guys. You don't need $1 million. You don't need to even live in a nice home or anything like that to have a YouTube studio set. You just need a small space, which you can, make it look good. And, think about it like this. If you can get that little square to look good, I don't care what the left side looks like. I don't care what the right side looks like. I don't care what your floor, I don't care what your ceiling look like. As long as you can get this small, like 6x6 area, right, to look good, you have a YouTube studio. That's all you need. So, bam.